So, you have this coffee table that I bought at some antique store. So, as you can see, a year ago, it crumbled.
She glued it.
And I
And
glued
she put
it
a
on.
random screwdriver there somewhere.
Excuse me, but it held it together for 1 year. 1 year, no lie. Now let's see his skills and see how long this thing will hold together. What is your plan? What is your plan for this thing?
Throw it away.
Oh, excuse me. Are you serious? Did you just say that?
No, we're gonna fix it. We're gonna glue it later.
Damn, so good. It held it for 1 year. What do you think of my skills?
Pretty good. I'm
Excuse me, are
impressed.
you impressed?
We're just gonna have to eat like this for tonight.
What? We have a dining table. What are you talking about?
See, we buy a dining table and then the coffee table.
Yeah. But, well, if I fix it, I think I can fix it.
Sure. We'll buy glue later. We'll buy more Gorilla Glue because this one is...
Oh, don't spill the secret, dude.
Oh, that's right. Shoes. Gorilla Glue.
Gorilla Go.
We're in a hurry to see Beyonce, but we have to eat first. We hungry. So we're at this place called Banh Mi, Houston. We're gonna eat some banh mi. Yeah, I'm hungry as hell. Got the pork banh mi, and she's got the tofu. She's gonna eat it because she's hungry as hell. Is it good? Alright, I'm gonna go eat now too because I'm freaking hungry. It's almost done. We got our coffee. It's pretty strong and pretty good. Yeah. So what's the question again?
No.
He asked me if I like being a nurse, and I said yes. This goes out to my manager. Please give me a raise. I'm excited. Are you supposed to dance in the concert? I don't know.
Yes?
Yeah. We're stuck in traffic.
Yeah. And we see people like walking.
Yeah. It's okay. Beyonce's gonna wait for us. Alright, so we're here. We're gonna go.
We're gonna go. $30 parking.
$30 parking, and we're gonna go see Beyonce and Jay-z. Okay, cool. Okay, bye.
We had to return her purse because it's a no.
It's a
clear bag policy. But we're here now. We made it. It's all good.
So Beyonce was awesome and Jay-z was awesome also. So now we're gonna try to go. Actually, we're trying to go find something to eat, but we are stuck in this mess. Yeah, I don't know what these people are doing. Embarrassing themselves mostly. So yeah, she was like singing and dancing the whole night. I was just chilling there, you know.
Oh, no. Trust. He's the biggest fan of Beyonce. I got
like,
videos.
I was like, yeah, alright, cool. Alright, I'm alright. No, it's okay.
No, he was singing. He's like, baby boy. I'm like,
This is we're eating Fufu Cafe, Chinatown, Houston. Let's go. So it's Sunday morning and we're gonna take the dogs we're just going to the park. We're gonna walk them because we're trying to exercise and take them out at the same time. So
y'all, killing two birds.
we're gonna go to this park in the Woodlands. It's called North Shore.
Park. No, it's a North Shore Park.
Yeah, I'm kind of hungover from the
Beyonce.
concert last night, or maybe it's the MSG from the Chinese food. I think it's both. Here we go. The fun begins. So we stopped by this dog park. This is actually this apartment's dog park. I don't think we're legally allowed here, but we're here. There's no lock. Yeah, there's no lock. And yeah. Oh yeah, there he goes. He's pooping. There you go. Walking and pooping. This is Hughes Landing. This area is called Hughes Landing in the Woodlands. There's like restaurants and stuff there. There's a little lake and there's like a little walkway. There's usually a sidewalk all the way to the park, but they're doing construction right now, so yeah. This is basically the third time he's pooping.
Poppy.
In like 5 minutes. Like it's still kind of pooping a little bit. I think it's kind of weird. We're walking on a trail.
Yes.
It feels like we're in the middle of the woods, but that's the road.
So if you come to the Woodlands, like they have this trail.
It's nice shade.
City.
Yeah, it's a perfect shade. It's nice. People are out on their kayaks today. I guess because the water is really high from all the rain. Cool beans. We're using the potty bags because that thing failed us. The water to the doggy bowl is not working, so we're using this. It works. Very resourceful. So this is North Shore Park. We like taking the dogs out here because there's all this green space, and you can walk to where we came from, and there's basically a big trail, and there's water over there. Ducks and doodles. Don't jump in now. So if you notice, they have like nice fancy houses here. This guy has a waterfall roof going to his pool. What a badass. I want to be like you one day, bro. Alright, now we're walking back. The coffee's kind of tired, but it's all good. I'm sure they're happy that they were able to go out. We walked for an hour. So we're gonna go back in the car and drive home. Alright guys, so that's basically all we did. We kind of just showed you, really it was just a weekend. We worked all throughout the week. The Beyonce concert was a cool experience. That was Ann and I's first legit concert together. That was cool. And you know, it was fun. Hanging out with the dogs. It's always nice when we break coffee right together. And yeah, for the record, I did fix that table. And I think I did a better job than Ann. And now I really think that table's gonna last like another decade. So, just saying. I guess I'm gonna do this again next week. What are we doing next week? I think we're just working. Oh God.